In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get working Mint Mobile discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Mint Mobile discount promo code. Right here, select this very first option, a website, which is called couponfollow.com. And right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this $20 discount code of any purchase, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is a discount code that I can copy and I can apply this on my next purchase in order to get that discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have another website which is called simplycodes.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with other promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get a free shipping, you can simply select copy code right here. And this is the discount code that you can copy from here and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get this free shipping. So this is also today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.